morning guys, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy S23 FE, and let me show you how to activate backup with Google One. First of all, you have to open the settings, then find and select accounts and backup, and click on backup data under Google Drive. Here click on turn on, and that's it. From now on it is active. Obviously, as long as you have your account added. If you do not have it added yet, you will have to provide your email address or phone number along with the password to add Google account to which the backup would be made. So after that, your device backs up data automatically over Wi-Fi, but if you want to do it right now, you can click here on backup now and it will be done. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.